Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Helea 16A Smart Plug. On the front of the package, we have an image of the smart plug. On the top left, we can see the Helea Smart Plug branding, the 16 ampere rating, and the use case, which means that it can be used to power high power appliances. On the bottom left, we can see that it is compatible with Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. On the left hand side of the package, we can see an illustration of the kind of devices that can be controlled by the smartphone app that comes for this smart plug. The devices that can be controlled include monitors like desktop monitors or TVs, cameras, lighting paraphernalia, other smart plugs, and air conditioners. On the bottom, we have the logos of the App Store and the Google Play Store, signifying that the app can be downloaded for both platforms. On the right hand side of the package, we have some of the technical specifications, which include the product ID, its max current, which we already know to be 16 amperes, and the model number, which is JX098. Underneath that, we have some information regarding the importer and manufacturer, and below that, we have information about the customer care. On top, we have another image of the smart plug along with the branding that we saw on the front. And on the back of the package, we have some of the features, which include setting of timers, voice control, no requirement for a hub. You can also control the smart plug from anywhere in the world, and it links with other Helea devices. There's nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a user manual. This gives you a step-by-step guide to the registration and installation of the smartphone and registering this smart plug onto the Wi-Fi. Coming to the smart plug itself, the front has a matte white finish, and around it there's a glossy white finish. The plug points, as we can see, it has support for multiple plug types, and there is also a shutter on the plugs to prevent electrical mishaps. Underneath that, we have the Helea branding, and underneath the branding, we have an LED light which shows the different modes that the plug is in. For example, it could be in pairing mode and it will flash rapidly, or if it is just in a powered on state, it will flash. The light will have a solid color. On the back, we can see that it has a standard 3-pin 16 ampere plug, and we can also see some technical specifications like its input value being AC 100 to 250 volts. Now let's see the smart plug in action. Here we have the smart plug connected to a power strip, and we have already installed and registered the plug on the Helea app. This is what the interface looks like, and it is currently in the powered off state. Tapping the power button switches on the plug. As we can see here, it has a red LED indicator, and the power button is on top. This can be used to reset the device if required. From the app, you can power the device on or off, as we already saw. We can also schedule timers right here. Next up, we can check the electric consumption that is being used by this socket currently. So this was the unboxing of the Helea 16 amp smart plug. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.